We often view aging as an inevitable decline. From birth to our senior years, the stem cells responsible for repairing our skin and tissues drop at a staggering rate. But what if we could rewrite that clock at the molecular level? Introducing targeted CRISPR epigenetic reprogramming. We aren't just treating symptoms, we are manipulating the cellular clock. By deploying CRISPR-Cas9 to demethylate aging skin genes, we bypass risky DNA breaks. This is precise epigenetic reprogramming, a biological reset for your cells. This process activates dormant collagen pathways, restoring dermal elasticity through non-invasive molecular signals. This transcends mere aesthetics, proving that targeted genomic intervention can fundamentally reverse the physiological markers of senescence. To support this regeneration, we look to NMN, a vital precursor to NAD+. NAD+ is the fuel for DNA repair and energy metabolism that naturally declines as we age. Emerging research suggests NMN can enhance stem cell longevity and function by supporting mitochondrial health. Whether you are managing chronic disease status or seeking to optimize tissue activity, the future of rejuvenation is here. Thank you for watching. For more information on our cutting-edge protocols, visit amhealth.ca. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your loved ones.